Welcome each and everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make Jamaican oxtail, and this oxtail recipe, it's the bomb. And this way I'm showing you, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know and how to make the best oxtail recipe ever. And this recipe you can make for your whole entire family. Open your cupboard and your fridge, grab your ingredients, and let's make this recipe. I'm using assorted pieces of oxtail, some big pieces, and also some smaller pieces. And I wash using vinegar. You always want to wash meat inside the kitchen, and this is what I do in my kitchen. Oregano, leaf, and lots of people in Jamaica know this as broadleaf thyme, French thyme, same thing. Regular thyme, couple cloves of garlic, and one large onion, green onion / scallion, and also thumb size ginger, and 1 tablespoon of pimento. Allspice is the powdered form for pimento. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And I have my gloves on. I'm gonna add seasoning to the oxtail. I almost forget about browning. And browning is just used for coloring. I'm gonna start out with the pimento. I want it to get that pimento flavor. The green seasoning part, that's to cook down the oxtail, so the oxtail can get that when it's cooking down. For the seasoning, I am using a tablespoon of meat seasoning, a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, and also a tablespoon of beef seasoning, a tablespoon of onion powder, and a tablespoon of garlic powder. And that's all the seasoning. And that is enough seasoning on the oxtail. You want to save the seasoning for when you're cooking down the oxtail. You can add more seasoning into the pot to add more flavor. That's another tip. Now I'm going to add browning. I'm going to use a teaspoon to add the browning. That's 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. We're just going to add 3 teaspoons. And that is enough browning. I'm going to get the seasoned massage with the browning into the oxtail. And that's the right amount of browning. The green season, I don't add them on there yet. I'm going to add these after. I'm going to cover with aluminum foil. You can use shrink wrap. I'm going to let it marinate for 20 minutes. And it's best to always season stuff ahead of time. I'm going to cut up all of the green seasoning. So the scallion. And also the garlic. And the ginger. And the oregano leaves. The onion. The thyme. Just want to make 1 cut. Also, I'm going to add carrot into the oxtail and also tomato. I have these cut up ahead of time. Carrot is cut up in nice pieces. and so is the tomato. I'm also gonna add ketchup, but I will get to that. How much ketchup? I'm gonna show you guys everything you need to know on how to make the best Jamaican oxtail. I'm gonna cover with aluminum foil. I'm gonna just place this in the fridge so it stay fresh. The oxtail is finished marinated. I have the pot on the stove and I'm gonna start frying up the oxtail. I use coconut oil, so I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil inside the pot. And coconut oil add flavor, and also this oil get hot very fast. You can use a Dutch pot for this, but if you don't have a Dutch pot, I'm using the convection stove, and a Dutch pot cannot use on the convection stove. I'm gonna add the brown sugar. You wanna keep a eye on this, and just keep mixing it. And you want the sugar to look just like this in the pot. And if it starts burning, it's gonna be bitter. You don't want it to be bitter. I'm gonna start adding the oxtail pieces. And you want the oxtail pieces to fry up into the pot for 15 minutes. I'm gonna add the green seasoning into the bowl with the leftover seasoning. I'm gonna cover. Remember, we're letting this fry up for 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna check on the oxtail. I have 6 cups of hot water in this bowl. I'm gonna add some seasoning. And this is my way of cooking, guys. I'm not gonna just add water into the pot. I add seasoning so it doesn't take away the flavor from the oxtail. I'm gonna add it into the pot. Just enough to cover the oxtail. And I'm saving some of the water because we're gonna be cooking this for 2.5 to 3 hours to get it tender. I'm gonna turn on the stove. Just drop the temperature. I'm gonna add all the green seasoning. I'm gonna cover. So we're gonna let this cook 2.5 to 3 hours. I'm gonna come back in 2.5 hours and I'm gonna check on the oxtail. Now I'm gonna check on the oxtail. It's been cooking for 2.5 hours. And we have just half an hour to go. It's time to get the pot well seasoned and also do a taste. So I'm gonna add the carrots. And remember, I like to add tomato into my oxtail, even though I'm gonna add ketchup. And I have half cup of ketchup and I'm gonna add it straight into the oxtail. Now I'm gonna place the cover on and I'm gonna let it go for the final 30 minutes. 9 more minutes to go. I always use a spoon when I'm tasting the pot. Everything is on point right here. Cover and let it go for the remaining 9 minutes. Now it's that time. The timer is ended and I'm gonna check on the pot. And this is the final stir. And just check it out. All the oxtail is like tender. And 3 hours is the time to make this wonderful pot of oxtail. I'm gonna make a plate and I will see you all for the taste test. Now I have the oxtail on a plate and check it out. I serve it with rice and it's all plated. And you see everything that I do in this recipe. I have my sister here and we're gonna do the taste test for you all. And I'm gonna make my sister get first dip. Nice and tender?
Yeah. Fall off the bone.
Alright, I'm gonna go in for a taste now. Guys, now you have two opinions. And also we can have the camera personnel with third opinion. Try a piece, my boss. So that's 3 opinions. What do you think about it?
Yes. 10 out of 10 would recommend.
10 out of 10 recommend. You hear that? She said 10 out of 10 recommend. So guys,
10 out of 10.
You hear from me with the camera personnel. Go and make this. Follow everything in this recipe that I demonstrated. And you have the best tasting Jamaican oxtail and it's served with rice. And this is basmati rice. And see you on the next one.